Do I stay here? That's a lot of smoke. Yeah, true. That's why it's called a smoker.
What's going on, man?
We're gonna put the ribs on the smoker, and we are gonna put on what is it? I don't know. Dad's ribs. The only reason we have the paper is to separate mom's from ours. So we want mom's to not have anything else on it. Don't think you can see this, but there's ribs. What you know it's not doing right is when the smoker has a white spot in the middle. That's one thing you know. Oh, that's barbecue? Okay, that's barbecue, not.
Hey.
Sir?
Here. Up here.
Here.
Get your feet out. Get your feet out of the way. Hold it straight. Hold it straight. No, you can lean like this. There you go. Oh. Smoker, the ribs on the smoker, I said at 225. You're going to let them chew for about 3 hours or so. Then we're going to wrap them. We're going to set them back on there. We're going to chew them for 2 hours. At that point in time, we're going to put what on? The pork loin.
Yes.
Stay tuned. We're squirting them down with some apple juice. Keep them moist. Some apple with bacon. Now, I'm going to throw on some cubed pork loin.
There's a pork loin, and the reason we're gonna spray down the ribs is to make it have a little bit of juice and not dry. If you have it dry, it's not that good of ribs.
Yeah.
And just a little bit of glare, a little bit of sunlight.
All right. Here we go. We are done. Up here. Okay. Power down. Juice stirred. Don't get that so close to my face.
All right.
Power down on the ribs. Looking pretty good. Just put the pork loin down. Trying something new, so we're going to stay tuned for that. And as we go, let's get this thing chooching back up. Chooch some of that on there.
Look at that. That looks pretty good.
Chooch some of that. Oh my goodness.
It's gonna be so good.
There they are. Oh, you know what?
What's up? There you go, YouTube. This is what our ribs are looking like. Looking pretty good, for the most part. We need to flip these. Or no? You don't flip them? What? Ooh, wow. This is it.
Which ones are which?
No. You?
Yep.
Oh my god.
These are mama's. Mama ribs, daddy ribs, jack ribs, and everybody else.
Everybody else got the sweet pork loin.
Go ahead and chooch a little bit some more apple juice on this. Now the apple juice, hey, up here. The apple juice, what the apple juice does is the apple juice helps moisten the meat so it doesn't get quite as dry. If you've ever had ribs that are dry, it's because they were chooched too long in the smoke without having moisture on them. All right, we're 2 hours into this. Come back in another hour and we'll be wrapping them, putting them back on, and then at that point in time, we're gonna take and put the pork loins on. So stay tuned, we're gonna have more fun. That's it. Okay, checking out the fire. Oh wow, look at that.
Now you can see it. It kind of looks like lava. Trying to get in like in the middle of it, about in the middle of that. Ah! Sorry guys, you can't see it. There you go, you go.
Get that. Get my phone back. I need my phone. Sometimes you just gotta stoke it up a little bit.
There you go, that's the apple.
A little bit of apple wood going.
Yeah.
Dude, we're chooching.
Yeah, we're chooching.
All right, we'll see you guys in an hour. I'm going to pull over the candied pork. Oh my goodness. Look at that. All right. That lovely assistant. What do you think, lovely assistant? You get a thumbs up? All right. So now that we done did that, now comes this part. Mix this up.
Why do we want to mix it up?
Because we want to make sure we get all that butter and that brown sugar and mix with the barbecue sauce. Okay. Because we want to make sure.
It's juicy?
Yeah. It's hot.
That's pretty good.
All right, so now we need to wrap it up. Wrap it back up on the foil. Okay. Ribs are about. Come on.
Never have enough aluminum foil.
Not when you're smoking. You gotta have plenty of aluminum foil. The aluminum foil that I like to use is the heavy duty stuff, the extra long, extra wide, and extra long. That way you got plenty of it.
Yeah.
In worst case scenario, you just gotta call mom and have her bring you some more. Hand the phone over to Monkeyboy.
Alright. Let's go.
We're gonna go outside and chooch some more.
Alright, let's go chooch some more. I got the door. Hey, the ribs. I can't smell the ribs, but I bet I can smell them when we open that. Yep, we can. Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Hit.
Monkeyboy.
We got some gold. We got gold now.
Now, check it out, Monkeyboy.
Yeah.
We're gonna reach in here, we're gonna grab this rack of ribs. Like this.
Yeah.
Yep, they're almost done.
Good.
This, I'm gonna close this down.
Yes.
So this is our pork loin right here. This, we put a little bit of glazing fluid on it, or glazing sauce on it. We use that the sweet apple barbecue sauce. I'll leave the recipe in the description below. Okay. 127 degrees. We want optimal temperature of 145 for the pork tenderloins. So, without any further ado, let's go.
How's your eyes not sweating? Dude, do not do that. You need to break something. This would be good. You can hear that if you That's what the pork is doing. I think that means it's done.
It's sizzling.
Not sizzling?
It's
Okay,
sizzling.
it's sizzling.
All right. Open the door, buddy.
All right, I got the door.
Watch for Roomba.
Watch for Roomba.
Watch Roomba's right behind you.
All right. There we go.
All right. What I was told is that you want to make sure that the internal temperature is at 145.
Yeah, 146.
146.
All right, it's upside down. We're at 133. Going up. 135. Gotta go up 10 more, dude. It's not going up.
Lied.
Ugh.
All right, so we got to take it back out.
Alright, I gotta take that back out. It's not going right.
Put it back on. Let it shoot some more.
Yeah, let's chooch some more. We have to.
All right, shut the door.
Alright.
This is where it gets interesting.
Really?
Yes.
What else happened now?
As you notice, I've run out of grill space.
Oh, yeah. We had stacked stuff on top of each other, too.
Huh?
We had to stack it on top of each other, too. We still don't have. Oh, there we go. Hey, we got the triple stack instead of the double stack.
Here we go. Got it.
There we go. So we're about to put our pork line back in.
Pork line goes back on.
At first, I thought we were done.
Me too.
Oh! My gosh!
I'll have to edit that out.
Done.
It's all right.
Done.
You'll be all right. All right.
I don't have shoes on.
Oh, well, I guess it's tough to enter here in the porch.
I'll be fine. There you go, we got our meat right here.
We're done chooching.
Yeah, we're done chooching. Hopefully.
Hopefully, we're either done or we're not.
Yeah, we're pretty much done. Oh, look at all that juice at the bottom.
Where?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Where?
No, it's in the.
Oh, that's. All right, go ahead, get the door.
All right.
Get the door. Hurry up, buddy. Oh, I wish there was smell-o-vision because this smells awesome.
I know. Woo!
Here, let's put this cup over here.
Alright, so what do we have these wrapped in foil?
Well, we have them wrapped in foil because as we take the pans, because we're not going to unload the pans onto a plate, we're just leave it as they are. And the reason why we put them there is so we don't mess up Mama's good trivets.
These are actually wood.
Yes, they are. They're actually wood. And I don't want to mess up Mama's good trivets. So this will be like this. This.
Oh man,
And
this is so good.
this will go.
Oh,
This will go.
yeah.
Oh, goodness.
Too bad you can't smell it.
Oh wow, that's hot.
Hi! Oh! Look at those ribs.
That's what you call chooched.
They're not actually pink, they're actually regular. It's just the lighting. Because I'm tan, not pink.
Oh, look at that. That is some chooch.
That is
So as you
awesome.
can see, that is some chooched out beef. And then over here, oh, that's pork, excuse me. And this one here is going to be the pork shoulder.
Pork shoulder.
Well, my attempt at, oh, look at that. That is the candied pork and chopped pork loin. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. And then that one, go ahead, Monkey.
Let's see what this one looks like.
This is going to be the sliced pork loin.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Woo-wee.
yummy goodness. That's all yummy goodness.
Oh, that smells so good. If you could smell this would be, you'd be.
Hey, thanks for watching. We had a great time doing this video today, so rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell right about there or there. I don't know, somewhere.
It's on the right.
Whatever. So, leave a comment what you think, how we did on the ribs today. So, Monkey, you guys say anything?
Leave a like or dislike. That's fine. Bye.
Bye. Count us out.